Deep cleaning tires can seem a bit intimidating. All that scrubbing is hard work. Do your tires really need it? It really depends on how dirty, oxidized, or brown the tires are and what your ultimate goal is. Let me explain. The contamination level of tires determines the cleaning process. For tires that are just lightly dirty, you can usually get away with just a soft bristle brush and a car wash soap. But for tires that are starting to show signs of oxidation, browning, or you're trying to remove old tire dressings, now you're going to need a stiff bristle brush and a dedicated tire cleaner. So what is your goal for your tires? If you're just doing a maintenance wash, then a light cleaning for the tires is more than enough. But if you're going to apply a dressing, a coating, or a tire conditioner, you really want to use the deep cleaning method. And the reason why is you need to remove anything that's on the surface of the tire so these new things that you want to apply, whether it's a dressing, a coating, or a conditioner, can better penetrate into the rubber, and that way they're going to perform better. Now that you understand that there's two general categories of tire cleaning, visit our decision guide to dial in your tire cleaning process.